While most car companies were busy with their old models and marketing strategies, Tesla engineers were quietly working on a new technology behind the scenes. This is not just a new engine. It is a solid indication that Tesla has already started the race for the coming years. Elon Musk has done it again, a breakthrough that opens the doors to the future. This is not a minor technological advancement, but a leap that can beat the competition right from the start. A motor so smart, so powerful, and so precise that many experts are calling it technology from the future. This new electric motor is faster, lighter, and more energy efficient than ever before. There's no noise, no delay. This system responds instantly, making the driving experience smoother and more controlled than ever. Tesla has optimized the motor through its design and software integration so that it can produce more output with less energy. And perhaps this is the point where Tesla has jumped miles ahead of the rest. But the question arises, how did Tesla do this? What is the technology behind it? And what will it change? Now, this story begins with Tesla's revolutionary motor, which not only changed the car, but also changed the game. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get every important update related to technology first. Today, when you look at the roads, it is clear that the world is going through a huge change. Electric cars are now replacing petrol and diesel vehicles. EVs, which were once considered just an experiment, are now slowly becoming the need and priority of every country. Elon Musk has said the same thing many times in his interviews. The future belongs to electric vehicles. Today, America, Europe, China, India, every big country is investing heavily in the EV industry. Governments are giving subsidies, companies are launching new models, and the charging infrastructure is being strengthened. By 2030, many countries plan to completely phase out petrol and diesel cars. In such a situation, it is clear that EVs are not just an option, but have become a necessity for the times to come. Be it China's BYD, America's Tesla, or India's Tata, all companies have entered the market with new EV models. Most importantly, these vehicles are not only better for the environment, but are also proving beneficial for the common people due to their long range, low maintenance, and economical running costs. Talking about Tesla, Elon Musk started this whole revolution. And now, when the whole market is shifting toward EVs, Tesla is leading it. It is clear. The era of EVs has begun. And if you have not taken this change seriously till now, you could be left behind in the coming future. In the next few years, only those companies, governments, and people who adopt this change quickly will be able to stay in this race. Tesla has been at the forefront of electric vehicle technology for the past several years. But this time, the step taken is not just a move forward. It's a leap that will surprise the entire industry. Elon Musk and his engineering team have introduced a new type of electric motor that could give a completely new direction to the current EV race. The most important part of this new motor is its carbon-wrapped rotor. Although this term may sound technical, its benefits are so extraordinary that every expert is now paying attention to it. Traditional motors have metal parts, which heat up, expand, and wear out over time. This is why there are limits on their performance, whether in speed or power. But the carbon fiber rotor used in Tesla's new motor breaks all these limitations. It can rotate at very high speeds without overheating, bending, or wearing out quickly. Its stability is so strong that it can operate at speeds of over 20,000 RPM, revolutions per minute, without breaking down or overheating. This figure is much higher than normal high-performance motors, which often begin to falter when they reach around 16,000 RPM. This time, Tesla has made such an improvement in motor technology that it could set a new standard for the entire EV industry. This is not just an upgrade of an existing system, but a design that changes both the construction and performance of the motor. The biggest advantage of this new motor is that it is faster, lighter, and more durable than before. It delivers more torque, with less energy consumption, and can work continuously for long periods. Fewer rare metals have been used in its manufacturing, which reduces costs and makes large-scale production easier. This aspect is especially important because it allows Tesla to speed up production, to meet the rapidly increasing demand for EVs. While other companies are still improving traditional motor technologies, Tesla has prepared for the next generation with this new design. Because of this, Tesla gains an edge not only in performance, but also in production cost and scalability. The acceleration figures are also impressive. Cars equipped with the new motor can go from 0 to 60 mph pace in about 2 seconds. This is not just a demonstration of speed, but an example of the technical control and balance that Tesla brings to its systems. Tesla's new motor directly addresses major problems that have long been associated with electric vehicles, particularly battery consumption and limited range. Unlike older performance models, this motor does not drain the battery quickly. Instead, it uses energy more efficiently. Tesla's technology is extremely balanced. It delivers more power with less energy loss. Additionally, its design keeps the temperature under control without the need for a heavy cooling system. Made of lightweight carbon fiber, this motor makes the whole car run more stably, quietly, and smoothly than before. The biggest question in the EV segment has always been, can the car travel long distances without frequent charging? Tesla's latest new motor eliminates this concern to a large extent. It delivers high performance while keeping battery consumption under control. This means fewer charging breaks, longer range, and less stress on the battery. With this, driving is not just an experience, it's a part of confidence. Now users don't have to choose between speed and utility. They get both without compromise. The most interesting part is that Tesla has also kept costs in mind while developing this technology. The motor has been simplified and uses fewer rare metals, reducing manufacturing costs. This directly benefits consumers in the form of lower prices or better profits for the company. While other companies are still trying to find this balance, Tesla has already achieved it and is now moving toward making it the new industry standard. The race for electric vehicles was not going to stop anytime soon. The world's big companies, like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen, had invested heavily to establish their hold in the EV segment. At the same time, new startups like Lucid and Rivian entered the market with fresh ideas and technology. Companies like China's BYD were also showing steady growth in sales figures. For a time, it seemed that Tesla's grip might loosen. But then, Tesla introduced its new carbon-wrapped motor, and the whole game changed. While traditional auto companies have been making electric versions of ICE, internal combustion engine, cars, Tesla has been designing vehicles specifically for EVs from the very beginning. Many of their vehicles are built on completely new platforms, light, efficient, and capable of delivering better performance. While old manufacturers are still producing EVs in plants originally built for petrol and diesel vehicles, Tesla's factories have been designed exclusively for electric vehicles from the start. Not only that, but where other companies rely on external suppliers for batteries and motors, Tesla produces its own batteries and now motors in-house. This gives the company control not only over costs, but also over the speed and quality of production. As Destias for startups, Lucid has launched a fast sedan, but its high price and limited availability put it out of reach for the average consumer. Rivian's trucks are capable, but production delays and rising costs are holding them back. These companies have innovation, but lack the production capacity and scalability of Tesla. While other companies are looking for a stable model, Tesla is already preparing for the next leap. BYD may be the world's largest EV seller today, but a large part of its success is based on low-cost models in China. When it comes to technology, driving range, and performance, Tesla is still a step ahead. The real difference becomes clear when we talk about software. Tesla's full self-driving FSD system is constantly improving. It's not just code, it's training itself every day by collecting data from vehicles on roads worldwide. So far, the system has accumulated millions of miles of experience, which no other automaker can match. This is where the difference lies. While other companies are trying to stay afloat in the EV market, Tesla is changing the rules of the game. Batteries and AI. Tesla's real strength. Tesla knows that a great motor is incomplete without the right battery. With this in mind, Tesla developed its next generation battery, the 4680 cell. These batteries store more energy, charge faster, and last longer. The new battery design increases range without adding weight to the car. It also features improved cooling, preventing the battery from heating up quickly and extending its lifespan. Additionally, these cells work in perfect harmony with Tesla's new carbon-wrapped motor, creating a strong, durable, and efficient power system. Tesla is also making big strides in AI. While other companies still rely on mapping systems and LiDAR, Tesla's system learns like a human. It is vision-based. It sees through cameras, learns from experience, and constantly updates itself. Every Tesla car is not just a vehicle, it's a moving data center. Every time a Tesla drives down the road, it collects information from its surroundings, traffic patterns, signal responses, driver behavior, and thousands of other inputs. This data is sent directly to Tesla's systems, where it's used to improve AI models. The result: the more Tesla cars on the road, the more real-world data is collected, and the faster Tesla's self-driving technology improves. That's why Tesla's autonomous features get better every week. Even when your car is parked in the garage, it continues to gain new capabilities through software updates. Now, imagine this intelligent system connected to Tesla's new generation of batteries and motors, more efficient, longer lasting, and more durable. It's not just a vehicle, it's an entire technology platform. Tesla's manufacturing strategy. While other companies struggle with limited supply chains and production delays, Tesla is constantly building plants in new markets. Starting with Shanghai, gigafactories are now active in Berlin, Austin, Texas, and several other locations. What's special about these plants is their design. Robotic automation, casting technology, and vertical integration in production are making cars faster, at lower costs, and with better quality. Tesla didn't just make faster cars, it changed the process of making cars. And that's why, while competitors are still solving basic problems, Tesla has built an entire ecosystem, one that is outpacing the entire industry. In Europe, Tesla is now challenging long-established players like Volkswagen on their home turf. In China, the most competitive EV market, Tesla is holding its ground, especially in the premium segment. In the US, it is already the biggest player in the EV market. But Tesla's strategy doesn't stop there. It is now focusing on emerging markets like India, the Middle East, and South America. Tesla understands that it is better to shape the future than to wait for it. That's why it is building early trust and a strong brand presence in these new regions before local companies can firmly establish themselves. Another big advantage that sets Tesla apart is its direct-to-consumer model. There are no dealerships or middlemen. Customers order the car online, and delivery is done directly at home. Periodic software updates keep the vehicle constantly improving. The whole system is simple, straightforward, and under Tesla's control, helping to reduce costs and enhance the customer experience. This thinking sets Tesla apart, and others will take time to catch up. BYD has strong domestic support in China, but Tesla still leads in global consumer trust. Whenever someone thinks of buying an EV, Tesla is often the first choice, even with other options available. Tesla is also revolutionizing manufacturing, with robotics, 3D casting, and AI-driven production, while others still rely on traditional assembly lines. The benefits: faster production, lower costs, and better quality. Despite all this, Tesla must stay cautious. BYD is growing fast, and legacy automakers like Toyota and Mercedes are also focusing on EVs. But Tesla's speed and hunger for innovation set it apart. This isn't just a competition of cars, it's a competition of vision for the future. And in this race, Tesla has proven it's not just an EV company, but a creator of the future. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the EV revolution. The world of electric vehicles is changing fast. Stay ahead with the latest insights.